In is an operator that checks whether a value belongs to a table. So you provide a value, in, and then a table. And in returns true or false, depending on whether the value belongs to the table or not. Let's see a couple of examples. Here I'm computing I'm summarizing product by category and subcategory, and the condition in calculate table is that the category needs to be in audio and computers. Audio and computers is a table containing 2 rows, and the in operator checks whether the category belongs to audio and computers. You see the result contains only audio and computers. If the table you need to search into contains multiple columns, then you can build tuples using the parentheses. So you can use customer city, customer state enclosed in parentheses, in, and then this table contains 2 rows with 2 columns. The first column is New York, Columbus, and the second column is New York, Ohio. Internally, in executes a contains row function. So you can obtain the same result using the in statement. As you see, we have 2 customers in that follow this condition, but you can also obtain the very same result using contains row. That is a bit more verbose. Therefore, in is easier to read, but the result number 2 is absolutely identical to result number 1.